Hey guys, what's up? It's Looney TNT. So, I haven't talked about this situation at all because so many people have, but I read something that really annoyed me, and I want to talk about it because this is it made me very upset. So let's read this real quick. If your reaction to everything going on right now is to complain that the next patch is going to take longer to release, then you need to take a step back and realize that you are part of the problem. Let me say this. I'm not the person sexually harassing people. I didn't do that. I'm not part of the problem. Alex, you're part of the problem. Your team's part of the problem. The people that are working at Blizzard that are allowing all this stuff to happen, that is part of the problem. Not your players. Don't try to throw this on your players. And if I get a little upset in this video, you know what? It's because I am. I hate reading this, you're part of the problem. No, we're not part of the problem. So many people are trying to put that out there. Well, if you're doing this, if you're doing that, well, then you're part of the problem. Shut your mouth. The problem is the people at Blizzard allowed this stuff to happen. That's the problem. You sit there and you're mad that people are upset that the patch is going to take a little bit longer. Well, you know what? A lot of us are. A lot of us are sick of being abused, just like the females at Blizzard. Let's continue. You value video game content more than human decency and respect. We value it a lot more than you guys do. Because we're not the people getting sued by California. So you need to shut your mouth. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I unsubscribed from World of Warcraft because I was ticked off that Shadowlands sucked. And now all this comes out, and this guy's trying to talk to me about human decency and respect? Blizzard has no human decency or respect to females that work at World of Warcraft and wherever else in Blizzard. I'm just so pissed off right now. This was a stupid comment. And guess what? Only certain people can reply. Okay. And look at all the likes that it's getting and all the retweets. They're like, "Yeah." No. The players and the customers are not the problem. We are not part of the problem. We have more human decency and respect than anybody at Blizzard right now. But it was only a few people. I don't care. I really don't care right now. If this is what the people if this is the people that didn't do anything, that are innocent, and they're coming out tweeting this stuff, that we're part of the problem, screw them. Screw Blizzard. I'm not supporting them anymore. I'm done. This is what we get. This is what we get. Half of my life, I've played World of Warcraft. I paid $15 a month. Half of my life. And I'm part of the problem. Screw this guy. I'm not telling you guys to stop playing. I'm not telling you to stop doing whatever. You guys get to make your own decisions. But this is what people are saying. I'm done.